Good day, kids! Do you know how to count the number of parts of this fraction in just a few seconds? That will be our lesson for today. Today, we are going to learn on how to count the parts of a fraction without really completing the counting. How? Listen. A circle can be divided into smaller units called parts. The whole circle can be divided into two. Once the whole circle is divided into two, it has two parts. One part is called 1/2, and the other part is also called 1/2. Let's review something about fractions. Fraction has two parts, numerator and denominator. This figure, it tells you about two equal parts because it is divided into two parts. This is how it is written in words. 1/2. Two over 2 is written as 2/2. How many parts can you see in this figure? There are 3. One part is 1/3. The other part is also 1/3. And the third one is 1/3. Kung tatanungin kita, anong fraction ang yellow shaded part of the whole circle? The answer is 2/3. 3/3. 2/4. 2/8. 8/8. 'Hey kids, do you know how to count the number of parts of a fraction in the best way that you can? First, we have to start finding the half of the circle. This is a circle divided into two. We will mark the center of the circle. From the edge of the circle, we will draw a straight line passing through the center or the midpoint of the circle until the edge of the circle. Paano natin malalaman na ang number of parts ng nasa taas at ang nasa baba ay parehong-pareho? Kung nasundan ng dotted lines ang original lines, ito ay tinatawag nating even number of parts. In this case, the total number of parts of this circle is 2. 2 is an even number. Let's have another example. We'll draw the center of the circle, then we will draw the dotted line. How many number of parts are there? There are 4. But remember, to count it faster, only the topmost portion have to be counted. How many parts do we have at the top? We have 2. Times 2 is equal to 4. Do we have the same number of parts? Using different techniques in counting the number of parts? Yes, we have the same number of parts, but the second one is faster than the first one. How about this one? Can you guess the number of parts? Yes, we have an even number of parts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 is 8. We have 8 parts all together. How about this one, class? Is it even or an odd number of parts? Can you see a straight line from the edge passing through the center of the circle and to the other end of the circle? Can you see any straight line? As we do not have any straight line, therefore, the number of total parts is an odd number. Let's try and see. Let's draw a dot at the center of the circle. Let's draw a dotted line. Therefore, the number of total parts of this figure is an odd number. 1 times 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 is the total number of parts. Can you see a straight line passing through the center? Yes, of course. Therefore, the total number of expected number of parts is equal to an even number. Let's mark something at the center. What do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4 is equal to 16. The number of total parts is equal to 16. How about this example? Can you see a straight line? Yes, of course. Therefore, the number of total parts is equal to 6. Now it's your turn to find the total number of parts.